Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you own a lot of pictures and your Photos app is now full of duplicate images? These duplicate images can take up twice the storage space on your iPhone. Thankfully, with the new iOS 16, you can easily find and delete these images to free up storage space. In this video, I will show you how to delete these duplicates on your iPhone, provided that you have already upgraded to iOS 16. Let's go. First off, open the Photos app on your iPhone. On your Albums, scroll down and you'll now find a Duplicates folder under the Utility section. As you can see here, I have 577 duplicate photos, which is quite a lot. Some of these are repeated images that have different file size. With iOS 16, I don't have to manually find duplicate photos anymore, because Apple now automatically detects all files that appear more than once. Now, I don't want to manually delete the images one by one and possibly remove the photo with better resolution. Fortunately, there is now a new feature that allows you to merge duplicates which combine the metadata of both files without losing any image quality and save up storage space. To do this, simply tap on the Merge button above each group of duplicate files. But if you have a lot of duplicates, you would not like merging them one by one. So tap on Select at the top right corner to choose multiple duplicate files you want to merge at once, and then press Merge. If you merge all the photos, it would take some time to finish. Once it does, the album will disappear completely and there would be no more duplicate images. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.